everything okay?
Is everything okay? Yeah, everything good.
Where's what's your name?
Her name is Simone Michelle. She left because she felt tired.
Really? Are you tired?
No, I'm good.
So that means I have 2 men to dance with tonight. Woo!
Brandon, what's up? What? Where are you? Which gas station? Okay, alright. Give me a few, I'll soon come. Yeah man, I'll be there.
Marcus, where are you going?
Brandon having some car troubles and I'm going to assist him.
So nobody else can't help Brandon? This is supposed to be our special night.
Michelle, you know Brandon not have a whole heap of friends and I'm the only friend him going call, so I have to go help him. You should understand that.
And you're spending time with your wife and your brother.
Michelle.
On a special occasion.
Michelle, stop being spoiled. Carlton, soon come back. You serious? You really are leave? Hold on there. Afraid and afraid? Alright, kids. When I'm coming back, I'll bring you both some ice cream. Will that work? I'll soon be back. You alright?
I can't believe that this is what my life has become. He's hardly around and not even special moments means anything.
Sorry.
Don't apologize for it. The truth is, I wish he was more like you. I envy. I admire the way you treat your wife. Since he's gotten into politics, everything changes. My hormone is all over the place and I can't even talk to him about kids.
Why?
He thinks that having a child now is a big distraction. Your brother thinks that I want to trap him. So he insists that I should go on contraceptives.
Why, Michelle, I don't even know if I said to you about this. I mean,
does Simone want kids?
yeah, she loves kids.
And you?
Oh, definitely.
Good for you. I really think that you're going to be